Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? Mr. Pauline here. And guess what? I've almost reached my 4,000 hours to be able to get monetized on YouTube. Also, I already have 1,000 plus subscribers. That's all of you out there. But not also has YouTube been sending me things. I've gotten free lunch from Chipotle. I've gotten a free movie ticket. And they also sent me something free in the mail. And I haven't opened it up and checked it out yet. But let's go and check it out together and see what it is and go from there. Okay, so check it out. This is what I got in the mail. The doorbell went off and I was wondering what it was. And then I opened up a little bit and I said, YouTube. And a couple weeks ago they said they were sending me something that there's only so many thousands made. But what is it? I've almost got my 4,000. I need like 12 hours to go. Lights, camera, action. You've scored a limited edition YouTube clapboard made just for valued partners like you. This is a one-of-a-kind item. Is our special thank you for all your hard work and creativity. We'd love to see your new clipboard in your next video. Show us the magic, the bloopers, and everything in between. Don't forget to tag. Oh, hey, ain't that cool? That's tight. I understand. I was wondering what a clipboard was, and I wish it came numbered because they said they only made 4,800 of these, and that's tight. Wow. Thanks, YouTube. This is actually something cool for me. This is something like a plaque you can hang on the wall. They just something you work hard to do things with, and I love it. This is great.